अस्सलामुअलैकुम। आज के लेक्चर में क्लास 10th की इम्पोर्टेंट डेफिनेशन डिस्कस करेंगे। ये लेक्चर फेडरल बोर्ड और पंजाब बोर्ड के स्टूडेंट के लिए इम्पोर्टेंट है। क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन, एन इक्वेशन विच कंटेन द स्क्वायर ऑफ अननोन क्वांटिटी बट नो हायर पावर इज कॉल्ड अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन आर एन इक्वेशन ऑफ द सेकेंड डिग्री। ऐसी इक्वेशन जिसमें अननोन क्वांटिटी का स्क्वायर हो लेकिन हायर पावर ना हो, क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन या सेकेंड डिग्री इक्वेशन कहलाएगी। एग्जाम्पल एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 7x प्लस 6 इक्वल टू 0। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, जनरल और स्टैंडर्ड फॉर्म ऑफ अ क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन। इसमें आपने सिर्फ ये लिखना है ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c इक्वल टू 0 where a not equal to 0 and a, b, c are real numbers. Next, pure quadratic equation. If b equal to 0 in a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then it is called a pure quadratic equation. Example, x square minus 16 equal to 0. यानी क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन में अगर x वाली टर्म ना आए तो फिर वो प्योर क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन कहलाएगी। Next, reciprocal equation. An equation is said to be reciprocal if it remain unchanged when x is replaced by 1 over x. यानी ऐसी इक्वेशन जिसमें x को 1 over x से रिप्लेस करने से इक्वेशन में कोई तब्दीली ना आए, ऐसी इक्वेशन रेसिप्रोकल इक्वेशन कहलाएगी। Next, exponential equation. In exponential equation, variable occur in exponent. यानी ऐसी इक्वेशन जिसमें वेरिएबल पावर में आए वो एक्सपोनेंशियल इक्वेशन कहलाएगी। एग्जाम्पल 2 raised to power x इक्वल टू 1। नेक्स्ट, रेडिकल इक्वेशन। एन इक्वेशन इन्वॉल्विंग एक्सप्रेशन अंडर द रेडिकल साइन इज कॉल्ड अ रेडिकल इक्वेशन। यानी ऐसी इक्वेशन जिसमें रेडिकल साइन वाली एक्सप्रेशन इन्वॉल्व हो जाए रेडिकल इक्वेशन कहलाएगी। एग्जाम्पल देखें, अंडर रूट एक्स प्लस 3 इक्वल एक्स प्लस 1। तो इस एक्सप्रेशन के ऊपर ये रेडिकल साइन है, इस वजह से ये इक्वेशन रेडिकल इक्वेशन कहलाएगी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है क्वाड्रेटिक इक्वेशन को सॉल्व करने के मेथड। तो ये 3 मेथड हैं, फैक्टराइजेशन, कंप्लीटिंग स्क्वायर और क्वाड्रेटिक फार्मूला। इसमें आपने कोई से 2 नाम पेपर में लिखने हैं। नेक्स्ट, डिस्क्रिमिनेंट ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक एक्सप्रेशन ax स्क्वायर प्लस bx प्लस c इज b स्क्वायर माइनस 4ac। सिमेट्रिक फंक्शंस। सिमेट्रिक फंक्शन ऑफ रूट्स ऑफ quadratic equation are those function in which roots involved are such that value of expression remain unaltered when roots are interchanged. Next, synthetic division is the process of finding quotient and remainder when a polynomial is divided by a linear polynomial. सिंथेटिक डिवीजन ऐसा प्रोसेस है जिसमें क्वोशंट और रिमाइंडर फाइंड किया जाता है पोलिनोमियल को लीनियर पोलिनोमियल पे डिवाइड करके। नेक्स्ट, इंपॉर्टेंट डेफिनेशन है साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशन की। अ सिस्टम ऑफ इक्वेशन हैविंग अ कॉमन सॉल्यूशन इज कॉल्ड अ सिस्टम ऑफ साइमल्टेनियस इक्वेशंस। Next, ratio. A relation between two quantity of same kind is called a ratio. In A ratio B, first term A is called antecedent and second term B is called consequent. Proportion. Equality of two ratios is called proportion. A ratio B equal C ratio D. इसमें A और D ये एक्सट्रीम्स हैं, B और C ये मीन्स हैं। Direct variation. If two quantities are related in such a way that increase in one quantity cause increase in other quantity, then this variation is called direct variation. दो quantities इस तरीके से relate करें कि एक quantity increase करे तो दूसरी भी increase कर जाए, तो ये direct variation कहलाएगा। Inverse variation. If two quantities are related in such a way that when one quantity increase the other decrease is called inverse variation. दो क्वांटिटीज़ इस तरीके से रिलेट करें कि एक क्वांटिटी इंक्रीज़ करे और दूसरी डिक्रीज़ कर जाए तो इन्वर्स वेरिएशन कहलाएगा। Third proportional. If three quantities A, B and C are related as A ratio B proportion B ratio C, then C is called third proportion. Fourth proportional. If four quantities A, B, C and D are related as A ratio B proportion C ratio D, then D is called fourth proportional. Mean proportional. If three quantities A, B and C are related as A ratio B proportion B ratio C, then B is called mean proportional. Continue proportion. If three quantities A, B and C are related as A ratio B proportion B ratio C, where A is first, B is mean and C is third proportional, then A, B and C are in continue proportion. Theorems on proportion. First one, theorem of invertendo. If A ratio B equals C ratio D, then B ratio A equal D ratio C. इन्वर्टेंडो में हर रेशो को इन्वर्ट कर देना है. ये ए बी है तो बी ए हो गई, ये सी डी है डी सी हो गई. नेक्स्ट, थ्योरम ऑफ अल्टरनेंडो. इफ ए रेशो बी इक्वल सी रेशो डी, देन ए रेशो बी इक्वल बी रेशो डी. अल्टरनेंडो में ये मीन बी और सी इन दोनों को इंटरचेंज करना है, ये सी भी कर दिया. और जो एक्सट्रीम है ए डी वो सेम रहेंगे, यहाँ भी ए डी है. थ्योरम ऑफ कंपोनेंडो. इफ ए रेशो बी इक्वल सी रेशो डी, देन ए प्लस बी रेशो बी इक्वल सी प्लस डी रेशो डी एंड ए रेशो ए प्लस बी इक्वल सी रेशो सी प्लस डी. Theorem of dividendo. If A ratio B equals C ratio D, then A minus B ratio B equals C minus D ratio D and A ratio A minus B equals C ratio C minus D. Theorem of componendo dividendo. If A ratio B equals C ratio D, then A plus B ratio A minus B equals C plus D ratio C minus D. A minus B ratio A plus B equals C minus D ratio C plus D. Next, joint variation. A combination of direct and inverse variation of one or more than one variables forms joint variation. Fraction. The quotient of two numbers or algebraic expressions is called fraction. Example, x square plus 2 over x minus 2. Next, rational fraction. An expression of the form nx over dx, where nx and dx are polynomial in x with real coefficient, is called rational fraction. The polynomial dx not equal to 0 in the expression. Example, 2x over x minus 1 into x plus 2. Most important definition चैप्टर नंबर 4 में. प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन, दोनों की डेफिनेशन सेम है, बस एक लफ्ज़ का फ़र्क है, उसको आपने नोट करना है. A rational fraction nx over dx with dx not equal to 0 is called proper fraction if degree of polynomial nx in the numerator is less than the degree of polynomial dx in the denominator. रेशनल फ्रैक्शन nx ओवर dx जिसमें dx नॉट इक्वल टू 0 हो, ये प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन कहलाएगी अगर पॉलिनोमियल nx जो कि न्यूमरेटर में है उसकी डिग्री लेस हो पॉलिनोमियल dx से जो कि डिनोमिनेटर में है. इम्प्रॉपर फ्रैक्शन क्या है? आ फ्रैक्शन nx ओवर dx where dx not equal to 0 is called an improper fraction if degree of the polynomial nx is greater or equal to the degree of polynomial dx. यानी अगर nx की डिग्री dx की डिग्री से ग्रेटर और इक्वल हो तो ये इम्प्रॉपर है, और अगर nx की डिग्री लेस हो जाए डिग्री ऑफ dx से तो फिर ये प्रॉपर है. एग्जाम्पल देखें. प्रॉपर 2 ओवर x प्लस 1, इम्प्रॉपर 5x ओवर x प्लस 2. Next, identity. An identity is an equation which is satisfied by all the values of the variable involved. यानी ऐसी इक्वेशन जो वेरिएबल की तमाम वैल्यू के लिए ट्रू हो वो आइडेंटिटी कहलाएगी. एग्जाम्पल 2 × x+1 = 2x+2. Next, partial fraction. Decomposition of resultant fraction nx over dx where dx not equal to 0 is called partial fractions. Set. A set is a well-defined collection of distinct objects is called set. Union of sets. If A and B are two sets, then A union B equal x such that x belong to A or x belong to B or x belong to A and B both. Intersection of set. If A and B are two sets, then A intersection B equal x such that x belong to A and x belong to B. Difference of sets. If A and B are two sets, then their difference A minus B equal x such that x belong to A and x not belong to B. Similarly, B minus A equal x such that x belong to B and x not belong to A. Complement of a set. If U is a universal set and A is a subset of U, then A complement equal U minus A equal x such that x belong to U and x not belong to A. Commutative property of a union. For any two set A and B, A union B equal B union A. Commutative property of intersection. For any two set A and B, A intersection B equal B intersection A. Associative property of union. For any three set A, B and C, A union B union C equal A union B union C. Associative property of intersection. For any three set A, B and C, prove that A intersection B intersection C equal A intersection B intersection C. एसोसिएटिव में देखें दोनों साइडों पे तीन तीन सेट लिखे हैं, सिर्फ हमने ब्रैकेट चेंज की है. यहाँ ए बी पे है, दूसरी साइड पे बी सी पे है, लेकिन दोनों साइडों पे ऑपरेशन सेम है. यहाँ यूनियन है, यहाँ इंटरसेक्शन है. Distributive property of union over intersection. For any three set A, B and C, A union B intersection C equal A union B intersection A union C. Distributive property में देखें एक साइड पे तीन सेट हैं, दूसरी साइड पे चार हैं और ऑपरेशन भी डिफरेंट हैं. यूनियन और इंटरसेक्शन दोनों यूज़ हुए हैं. तो ये एसोसिएटिव और डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिव में फ़र्क है. Distributive property of intersection over union. For any three set A, B and C, A intersection B union C equal A intersection B union A intersection C. Next, De Morgan laws. Important है, ये अक्सर पेपर में आते हैं. तो देखें A union B whole complement equal A complement intersection B complement. A intersection B whole complement equal A complement union B complement. तो देखें इसमें एक साइड पे यूनियन है, दूसरी साइड पे इंटरसेक्शन. एक साइड पे होल कंप्लीमेंट, दूसरी साइड पे अलग अलग कंप्लीमेंट है. इसी तरह सेकंड लॉ में एक साइड पे इंटरसेक्शन, दूसरे पे यूनियन, एक पे होल कंप्लीमेंट और दूसरे पे अलग अलग. ऑर्डर्ड पेयर. एनी टू नंबर्स x and y written in the form pair bracket x, y is called an ordered pair. Cartesian product of two non-empty set A and B denoted by A cross B consists of all ordered pairs xy such that x belong to A and y belong to B. Binary relation. If A and B any two non-empty set, then subset R of A cross B is called binary relation from A into set B. Domain of relation denoted by dom R is the set consisting of all the first elements of each order pair in the relation. Range of relation denoted by range R is the set consisting of all the second elements of each order pair in the relation. Function. Suppose A and B two non-empty set, then relation f from A to B is called function if domain f equal to A and every x belong to A appear in one and only one order pair in F. Domain of domain, codomain and range of function. First one है codomain of f. If f from a to b is a function, then a is called domain of f and set b is called codomain of f. Domain f is the set consisting of all first element of each order pair in f. Range f is the set consisting of all second elements of each order pair in f. Into function. A function f from a to b is called into function if at least one element in B is not an image of some element of set A, that is range of f subset set B. One-to-one function. If a function f from a to b is called one-to-one function if all distinct elements of A have distinct images in B. Into and one-one function is called injective function. Onto are surjective function. A function f from a to b is called an onto function if every element of set B is an image of at least one element of set A, that is range of f equal to B. Bijective function are one-to-one correspondence. A function f from a to b is called bijective if and only if f is one-to-one and onto. A set with no element is called empty set. The set having only one element is called singleton set. Class limits. The minimum and maximum value defined for a class or group are called class limits. The minimum value is called lower class limit and maximum value is called upper class limit of that class. Midpoint or class mark. For a given class, the average of that class obtained by dividing the sum of upper and lower class limits by 2 is called midpoint or class mark of that class. Cumulative frequency. The total frequency up to an upper class limit or boundary is called the cumulative frequency. Histogram. A histogram is a graph of adjacent rectangles constructed on xy plane. It is a graph of frequency distribution. Frequency polygon. A frequency polygon is a many-sided closed figure. Cumulative frequency table या cumulative frequency distribution. A table showing cumulative frequencies against upper class boundary is called a cumulative frequency distribution. It is also called a less than cumulative frequency distribution. Measure of central tendency. The measure are techniques that are used to determine this central value are called measure of central tendency. Measure of central tendency ये 6 हैं, इनको भी आपने याद करना है. Measure of central tendency हैं arithmetic mean, median, mode, geometric mean, harmonic mean, quartiles. Arithmetic mean. Arithmetic mean is a measure that determines a value of the variable under study by dividing the sum of all values of the variable by their number of observation, denoted by x bar. Median. Median is the middlemost observation in an arranged data set. Mode is defined as most frequent occurring observation in the data. Geometric mean of a variable x is the nth positive root of the product of x1 to xn observation. Gm equal x1 multiply x2 up to so on xn whole raised to power 1 over n. Harmonic mean refer to the value obtained by reciprocating the mean of the reciprocal of x1 to xn observation. Hm equal to n over sigma 1 over x. प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ अरिथमेटिक मीन, ये चार हैं, कोई सी दो याद कर लें. मीन ऑफ अ वेरिएबल विद सिमिलर ऑब्जर्वेशन से कांस्टेंट के इज द कांस्टेंट के इटसेल्फ. सेकंड, मीन इज अफेक्टेड बाय चेंज इन ओरिजिन. एंड थर्ड वन है मीन इज अफेक्टेड बाय चेंज इन स्केल. Measures of dispersion. The measures that are used to determine the degree or extent of variation in a data set are called measures of dispersion. Example है range, variance, standard deviation. Range. The range measures the extent of variation between two extreme observation of a data set. Range equal xm minus x maximum minus x minimum. Variance is defined as mean of squared deviation of xi observation from their arithmetic mean. Variance of x equals summation x minus x bar whole square over n. Standard deviation is defined as positive square root of mean of the squared deviation of xi observation from their arithmetic mean. Standard deviation of x equals sigma x minus x bar whole square over n whole square root. Angle. An angle is defined as the union of two non-collinear rays with some common endpoint. The rays are called arm of the angle and the common endpoint is known as vertex of the angle. Next, degree. We divide the circumference of a circle into 360 equal arcs. The angle subtended at the center of the circle by one arc is called 1 degree and is denoted by 1 degree. Radian. The angle subtended at the center of the circle by an arc whose length is equal to the radius of the circle is called radian. Next, a part of the circumference of a circle is called an arc. ये बाउंड्री सर्कल की सर्कमफ्रेंस कहलाती है. इसका ये पार्ट ए से बी तक ये आर्क है. A part of the circle bounded by an arc and a chord is called segment of a circle. ये आर्क है और ये कॉर्ड है. कॉर्ड और आर्क के दरमियान ये जो एरिया है ये सेगमेंट ऑफ सर्कल कहलाएगा. Part of the circle bounded by two radii and an arc is called sector of the circle. ये दो रेडियस हैं, ये आर्क है. इनके दरमियान ये जो बाउंडेड एरिया है ये सेक्टर ऑफ सर्कल कहलाएगा. Co-terminal angles. Two or more than two angles with the same initial and terminal side are called co-terminal angle. दो या दो से ज़्यादा एंगल जिनकी इनिशियल और टर्मिनल साइड सेम हो वो को-टर्मिनल एंगल कहलाएंगे. Quadrantal angle. If the terminal side of an angle in standard position fall on x-axis or y-axis, then it is called a quadrantal angle. स्टैंडर्ड पोजीशन में अगर किसी एंगल की टर्मिनल साइड एक्स एक्सिस या वाई एक्सिस पे हो तो उस एंगल को हम क्वाड्रेंटल एंगल कहेंगे. एग्जांपल 90 डिग्री, 180 डिग्री, 270 डिग्री, 360 डिग्री, ये क्वाड्रेंटल एंगल है. नेक्स्ट, ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज. साइन स्क्वायर थीटा प्लस कॉस स्क्वायर थीटा ये इक्वल होता है 1 के. 1 प्लस टेन स्क्वायर थीटा इक्वल सीकेंड स्क्वायर थीटा. 1 प्लस कॉट स्क्वायर थीटा इक्वल कोसिकेंड स्क्वायर थीटा. इन तीनों को ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज़ कहेंगे और ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक आइडेंटिटीज़ को पैथागोरियन आइडेंटिटीज़ भी कहते हैं. नेक्स्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट डेफिनेशन है सर्कुलर सिस्टम की। द सिस्टम ऑफ मेजरमेंट इन विच एंगल इज मेजर्ड इन रेडियन इज कॉल्ड सर्कुलर सिस्टम। नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशन है सेक्साजेसिमल सिस्टम की। सिस्टम ऑफ मेजरमेंट इन विच द एंगल इज मेजर्ड इन डिग्री इज कॉल्ड सेक्साजेसिमल सिस्टम। अगर रेडियन में मेजर होगा तो सर्कुलर, अगर डिग्री में होगा तो सेक्साजेसिमल सिस्टम। नेक्स्ट है प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ अ पॉइंट। प्रोजेक्शन ऑफ अ गिवन पॉइंट ऑन अ लाइन सेगमेंट इज द foot of perpendicular drawn from the point on that line segment. Next, zero dimension. Projection of vertical line segment CD on a line segment AB is a point on AB which is of zero dimension. ये वर्टिकल लाइन है, इसकी ए बी के ऊपर जो प्रोजेक्शन है ये पॉइंट ई, ये ज़ीरो डायमेंशन होगी इस पॉइंट की। नेक्स्ट डेफिनेशन अपोलोनियस थ्योरम। In any triangle, the sum of the square on any two sides is equal to the twice the square on half the third side together with twice the square on the median which bisect the third side. Diameter. A chord passing through the center of a circle is called diameter. Radius. The distance of any point of the circle to its center is called radius. Next, circle की definition. Locus of a point in a plane equidistant from a fixed point is called circle. Collinear points. Three or more than 3 points lying on the same line are called collinear points, and 3 or more points does not lie on same line are called non-collinear points. Minor arc, part of circumference of circle less than semicircle. Major arc, part of circumference of circle greater than semicircle. Interior of circle, set of points lies inside the circle. Exterior of circle, set of points lies outside the circle. Secant of a circle, a line which has 2 points in common with a circle is called secant of circle. A line which has only 1 point in common with circle is called tangent of circle. Most important MCQs, a circle has only one center. Length of tangent. Length of a tangent to a circle is measured from the given point to the point of contact. Circumference of circle. Boundary traced by moving point in a circle is called its circumference. Any portion of the circumference will be known as an arc of the circle. Chord of a circle. Straight line joining any 2 points of the circumference is called chord of the circle. Important definition is the central angle. Angle subtended by an arc at the center of circle is called central angle. The angle subtended by an arc of a circle at its circumference is called a circumangle. यानी आर्क सेंटर पे एंगल बनाए तो सेंट्रल एंगल, अगर आर्क सरकमफ्रेंस पे एंगल बनाए तो वो सरकम एंगल कहलाएगा. Right angle, an angle which is equal to 90 degree is called right angle. Obtuse angle, an angle which is greater than 90 degree is called obtuse angle. Acute angle, an angle which is less than 90 degree is called acute angle. 90 डिग्री के इक्वल राइट, 90 से लेस एक्यूट और 90 से ग्रेटर ऑब्ट्यूज. साइक्लिक क्वाड्रिलेटरल. A quadrilateral is called cyclic when a circle can be drawn through its 4 vertices. Perimeter. The perimeter of a closed geometric figure is the sum of its side. Circumference, perimeter or length of boundary of the circle is called circumference. Diameter, Chord which pass through the center of circle is called diameter of the circle. Arc. Part of circumference of circle is called an arc. Triangle. Plane figure formed by three straight edges as its side is called a triangle. Polygon. A plane figure with three or more straight edges as its side is called a polygon. Regular polygon, a figure bounded by equal straight line which has all its angles equal, is called a regular polygon. Vertices. The corner of a polygon are called its vertices locus. The path of an object moving according to some rule is the locus of the object. Circumscribed circle. If a circle pass through all the vertices of a polygon, the circle is said to be circumscribed about the polygon, and the polygon is said to be inscribed in the circle. Ascribed circle या E circle. If a circle touch one side of a triangle externally and the other two produce side internally is called ascribed circle. Circumcircle. The circle passed through the vertices of a triangle ABC is known as circumcircle, its radius as circumradius and center as circumcenter. In circle. A circle which touches the three sides of a triangle internally is known as incircle. Its radius is radius and center as incenter.